Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Wix website quickly and easily. Sometimes you may no longer need a site, or maybe you just want to clean up your projects. Whatever the reason, Wix makes it simple to remove a site from your account. Let's go through the steps together. First, head over to wix.com and log in if you're not already. Once you sign in, you'll land on your account dashboard. This dashboard is like your control center where you can manage and access all your Wix sites. Now, look for the option called My Sites. Clicking on it will bring up a list of all your existing projects. If you manage multiple websites, this feature is especially helpful because it shows everything in one place. From here, click on Go to All Sites so you can see the full list of your projects. Next to each site, you'll notice a button called Site Actions. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that list, choose Move to Trash. Don't worry, this doesn't delete the site permanently right away. Think of it as a temporary holding place in case you change your mind. After selecting Move to Trash, Wix will show you a confirmation box asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This is to prevent accidental deletions. If you're certain, go ahead and click Confirm Move to Trash. And that's it. Your Wix site is now successfully moved to the trash. This keeps your dashboard organized and allows you to focus only on the sites that matter most to your current goals. Plus, Wix gives you a little time to restore the site if you ever need to undo this action. So, by following these steps, you can easily keep your Wix account clean and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple Wix tutorials and helpful tips.